Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Notion wiki for your team. A team wiki gives everyone one place to access company information, policies, project documentation, and shared resources. So let's get started. First, open Notion and sign in to your account. From the left sidebar, click Add a Page to create a new page. Give your page a name such as Team Wiki. Now, organize your wiki by creating pages for different topics. For example, you can create pages for company policies, team directory, projects, meeting notes, processes, and resources. To add a new page, type / and select Page. Use headings and toggle lists to organize information so it's easy for your team to find what they need. You can also create databases to manage documents, project information, or standard operating procedures. To make navigation easier, add links between related pages and create an index or homepage with quick links to the most important sections. Once your wiki's ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Invite your team members by entering their email addresses or share the workspace with your organization. Choose the appropriate permissions, such as can view, can comment, or can edit, depending on each team member's role. As your team grows, continue updating the wiki with new documentation, guides, and resources to keep everyone aligned. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Notion wiki for your team. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and team collaboration guides. See you in the next video.